Hi, I'm Tim from Bosch Home Appliances. Regular maintenance of your Bosch heat pump dryer helps to keep it performing at its best, supporting drying results, energy efficiency, and long-term appliance care. An important part of dryer maintenance is cleaning the lint filter. The lint filter must be cleaned after each cycle to keep your dryer operating efficiently and, more importantly, safely. On most models, the lint filter is located inside the bottom of the door opening. If your dryer model has the auto clean feature without a lint filter, you can skip this step. To clean the lint filter, lift it out, open it carefully and wipe away the lint. Depending on your model, it is strongly advised to wash the filter with warm water on a regular basis. Always make sure the filter is completely dry before placing it back into the dryer. Keeping the lint filter clean is important, as the lint buildup can affect airflow, drying performance and energy efficiency, along with affecting the dryer's service life. Your Bosch heat pump dryer has two drainage options for the moisture it collects from your clothes. The dryer will either collect moisture from your laundry and store it in the water tank, or drain it directly via the connected hose. If you're using the water tank, remove it and empty it as required, then slide it securely back into place. Some Bosch dryers also have a foam condenser filter or heat exchanger area that needs to be cleaned after every 20 to 30 cycles. This is usually located behind a flap at the bottom front of the appliance. If your model requires this step, remove the filter as shown in your user manual. Rinse away lint and residue, allow it to dry, then reinsert it securely. Keeping this area clean helps maintain heat pump efficiency and drying performance. Depending on your model, the appliance may prompt you when a condenser clean is required. If a message appears on the display, follow the instructions in your user manual for the correct cleaning process. If your Bosch dryer features a self-cleaning condenser, which cleans the condenser automatically during the drying cycle, you can skip this maintenance step. On self-cleaning condenser models, you may notice water in the tank even if the appliance is using a drainage hose. This is normal and the tank does not require emptying, as the dryer uses this water as part of the self-cleaning process. This self-cleaning process takes place towards the end of the drying cycle, so it's important not to interrupt the cycle early. You should also occasionally clean the moisture sensors inside the drum. These are the metal strips that help the dryer detect how damp your laundry is. Wipe them gently with a soft, damp cloth and avoid using abrasive cleaners. Keeping the sensors clean helps ensure accurate drying results. For general care, wipe the exterior of the appliance with a soft, damp cloth. You can also occasionally wipe inside the drum to help keep it clean and fresh. By following these simple maintenance steps, you can help keep your Bosch heat pump dryer running efficiently and delivering great results. If you have any further questions, refer to your user manual or head to our website for more details.